Finna take off on spaceship. God needs up like Matrix.
Hello, it's been a long time, but I'm back.
It's been a long time. But her co-worker here. We got food.
He got food.
I got her gummy runner, and I got a new color. Maya's supposed to be leaving me to go to work.
I got a new phone and a job. What is this?
That's your vlog. Hey vlog.
This is my other fellow vlogger.
Hey, go subscribe. Hi. Yaya.
Hello.
What is this? Is this gonna be on the vlog?
Yeah. Hey y'all, Raven, it's for the vlog.
Why are you vlogging away from the sun? You have to vlog like other way. Turn around. Keep turning.
Okay. Hey y'all, we out here playing tennis. I'm Serena, she Venus.
That's so terrible. I'm built like Serena.
Hey guys, so we're done playing tennis. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
So I got a new phone. I think I already told you guys that.
Raven, no L McQueen.
Raven sucks at tennis and she took 2 L's. Her middle name is YesL, so it's kind of like punny. There's the pool. I'm trying to go swimming, but Raven's about to go to Kalahari, which is not fair.
We invited you. You should have quit your job. You about to get fired anyway.
Shut up.
You could have came.
No, I would have had to go to my game.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
This looks really bad.
I know. I'm looking down.
This way. No.
Well, yeah, because
This way. This is Maddie.
bag look.
No, don't show them. Ellie.
Hi. I look like a boy right now.
It's okay. Face the light. Oh, it's right there.
It's in front. Hi. Oh
Stop staring at me. So we're about to win today, right, guys?
Yeah.
DOD.
Dub up day. Dub up day. That's what that means. Your mom's coming.
There's Aunt Bridge.
So yum.
No.org.
It's half my. It's
I
half
am not a personal organization. Sorry.
Have practice today.
I Taco Bell and I'm gonna have to get my brains out in a second.
Stop cussing.
I had to poop my brains out.
Hey, vlog. Say hey. Say hey.
Hey. Somebody do take me on camera.
Huh?
Take me on camera.
Big bank take little bank. Hey guys, we're at the airport. I'm about to leave. And I'm sad. Stop. Stop trying to front for them. Do it for the ground. My hair is super big.
Board as quickly as possible. There are still
Say hi. Don't click it. Don't click it. Don't.
No!
Say hi.
Whoa.
Say hi, guys.
Hey.
Hi. We're at the mall. She got the keys. Say, I got the keys. Eating our ice cream. Amelia. Say hi. About to leave. Hey guys. We're going bowling.
Hey. Hi. Hello.
I'm leaving, guys. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're on our way to Columbus.
Yeah, we're probably the only ones that decided to wait until the game day to leave. I love that.
Oh, show them your bow. Woo. We have another game after this. Wish us luck. So we won. Kind of by
Always
default.
fixing my hair when you vlog
It
because
was kind of by like, but we won. That's all that matters.
do it. You're supposed to. What's your mom's? Oh, Hallie.
Shakira.
Hey. Remember me from
Shakira.
last vlog?
Oh my gosh, she got
The bench warmer.
more.
The bench warmer.
Yeah.
The girl who never plays in the game. Just kidding.
Vlogger.
I'm a little upset I didn't get to take a nap during that break. I was gonna say napping.
Why did you want to nap? No napping. You okay? Don't cry. Okay.
I hope people could hear.
Kaylin, you okay?
No, my back's broke.
Hallie and her twin got the same head. Oh, it's zoomed in, dude. We're cursing. You okay?
I don't like anything.
We just took a fat L.
Alright, ready guys? We're gonna do it.
Hannah!
Lillian!
Wow.
Ready? Oh my
Wait for a little. Maddie!
Maddie!
Hurry.
Yeah, see, no one gave the memo.
We do it after every game. After every weekend or day.
Okay, ready?
Wizard! 4, 5, 6. Family!
He's texting me.
We should have took that. We should have won. We were going to win, but then it had to be a drop dead rule, so then we lost. So technically we should have won. So technically we should be really with 2 wins, but we technically lost. So
You going on YouTube? I'm gonna get team dinner. I was not ready. Hey, Allie.
And our cheerleaders go like that.
Kirsten.
We go like.
oh, we're at a team dinner. We're about to get feast, dude.
Yep. Krusty Krabs.
Krusty Krabs, the rusty bucket.
Anna.
These were the exact ones, like these ones.
Sammy.
That is
What? You didn't have below.
Aww.
We didn't have these creepy ones.
Team dinner.
You need to talk more.
Look at that.
Ew, what is that? They're like creepy dolls. No, we put these ones in our hallway.
The Krusty Krab pizza.
Like these ones.
Talk more. So I'm gonna get it's between the quesadillas and the chicken finger BLT.
That's a lot of food.
I don't know. I'm gonna get either one.
Oh, get the quesadilla.
No.
Quesadilla.
But those come with fries. Ooh, look at those ice cubes.
It's fashion and sleek and steak and shake.
Ooh, I like the hospital one. So should I do, guys, comment below if I should get the quesadillas or the chicken. Should I do the chicken finger BLT or quesadillas?
Chicken finger.
Thank you.
Do you want water with lemon too? Yeah. Thank you.
We got our water with lemons. The waiter's bringing me like a plate of lemons though.
No, I just like put some sugar on the lemon.
You put sugar.
My lemon. There's a hair on it. Wait, this is how you eat it. Let me show them how you eat a lemon. Okay, ready? So you go like this, and you're eating the lemon. You gotta peel this. Hold on. It needs to peel. We fancy dining. Wait till I get my other lemons. Have a lemon. You're sorry. Clip 1 done. I'll be back with my lemons. Hey dog.
I do.
Why did my
Hey dog. What else do I do? Like, what do you do in the vlog?
I don't know. You
Other than say, hey guys, we're eating. Bye.
Bye. Got some lemonade. Can we take a picture right here? Okay, me and Kate are back, and I'm gonna eat my lemon. Wow, I went out of focus. You wanna peel it like up here? See, like that? I'm gonna eat it like an orange. Like an orange.
Okay, this like always ruins all my self.
That's how you eat a lemon. Amaya's the best. Even though sometimes she doesn't let me vlog on my phone, so she makes you really angry, but like whatever.
Here's me eating my fried pickle.
Sammy, you'll eat the pickle, right?
I know, right? These fried. Ooh.
Amaya, were you trying to do a thumbnail there when you were eating the pickle or no?
This is how you eat the fried pickle. So you take the skin off. So we're at TJ Maxx. We're looking for our fellow friends.
Yeah.
Say hey.
What's up, vlog?
So we found our friends at TJ Maxx.
We shopping.
Let's go look at the hair stuff.
With like the
foot cam. For all the weird people out there that like feet. Haley painted my toes.
If you want more money though.
Gosh.
Yeah, I painted my toes today.
Ugly black.
Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. Them basic wish. I don't even bother. Okay. We looking Hollywood.
I like these
or whatever.
guys.
Ooh.
It's time to take over. Look at a little sunburnt right now.
Don't bother me. Ew, these are so like 2001.
Those are something my aunt would wear.
Yeah.
Ooh, what the? Hey.
That's the most you'll ever get me on camera.
Can I take a picture of this meow?
What y'all need, kids? Y'all need something from the store? Come here.
Let me put a hat on.
Here, girl.
Ah, it
You
gets
look
to go
like
to
a
my
scarecrow.
It hurt my head.
Can we go to the where?
Next though.
Yes. Let's do your makeup in the store.
Okay.
Like James Charles, 5-minute makeup Sephora challenge.
Oh, it hit me right now.
Ooh, the light. Look at the lighting. My face looks shiny.
I know, mine looks
And
good.
that's,
Look at that natural.
I barely
Oily.
used any lotion.
This is my highlight natural.
This is our natural glow. Like we have no highlighter on, no foundation, no nothing.
There we go.
There's only one.
You guys have to pick me a blue. Pick me a blue.
Blue, pick yours.
Or pick me something.
This is
No, don't even pick a blue. Pick something like different. Like, because you have to be like extra. Okay. We're gonna take you with us to get a makeup swab thingy. I don't know where they went. Wait, where are they? They're right here. They're right here. Amaya. I guess they're further down. I don't know what these are. I just swore in our video. I think I should be able to. Okay. Lil. Here, you gotta put this on me. What color did you pick?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
You should look like a black wow.
Oh,
Where? We're moving the. Oh my god, this is bad. This is not. With the purple lips.
Let me see. Look. We're looking for the bathroom. Kirsten's looking for us because we gotta go. But
Yeah, she's saying go.
so we just left them all. Now we're going back to the hotel.
Do we have everybody?
No, where's Maddie? We're back at the hotel. So we're probably all gonna go to sleep. Or try to go to sleep. 2, 1, bis. Adios. I should have added peanut butter. It's going to. Oh gosh! No.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
What do you have to do? Look. Oh, she's. Oh, you got me eating the Doritos. Nice.
Yeah, I screenshot that video. Bitch, my buddy would call.
What?